You've all heard the story, right? About what happens on July 4th?
Whoa, Amber, you want to freak everyone out?
No. I just like hearing you tell it.
What are you guys talking about?
The fisherman.
Okay.
Every 4th of July, he gets out his hat and slicker, he sharpens up his hook, and runs wild.
But only after teenagers.
That's right, the ones with dirty little secrets. What about you, Zoe? I bet you got some dirty little secrets.
Yeah, I heard you suck in bed.
Ugh.
July 4th.
Hey! Seriously, a guy on my ski team knows this girl who went camping last summer, and they saw the fisherman. 2 days later, 2 kids didn't make it out of the woods.
So he's kind of like Santa Claus, huh? Only in reverse. He goes after the kids that are naughty.
No, he's more like Jack the Ripper, except the guy never got caught.
Well, I wouldn't worry. Dude, it's Broken Ridge, Colorado. In the summer. Even a psycho killer knows to avoid this place.
Yeah, the guy would probably die of boredom before he got any of us.
Hey, I heard you're, running some sort of field trip in September.
It's a photo shoot, really. Why, are you interested?
Well, I figured since Stud Boy's gonna be gone to college, maybe you need somebody to carry your tripod.
Very funny. Are you working or are you just hitting on my girlfriend?
Depends. You want to play?
Whoa, what, with your balls? No thanks.
Come on, baby. Win me a monkey.
Okay. But if I win, you crash at my place tonight. Tell your mom you're staying at Zoe's. Is that a yes or a no?
First, win the monkey.
All right. Oh, yeah! I'll take that. Happy 4th of July, babe. I'm gonna miss you.
I know. You're the lucky one. You get to take off and I have to stay here another year.
It's weird, me in LA.
What do you mean? It's brilliant. And when I get there, it's gonna be the most amazing place in the world for the two of us.
Yeah.
Marine Canada Davis reporting for duty.
Yo, PJ.
Oh my gosh, PJ! believe you actually did it.
Well, just ROTC. You could say my dad, he worked me over. But guess who's next, little cuz? Yeah, that's right. I give it another year and he's coming after your ass.
I don't think so.
Oh, come on, it's in our blood. And plus, chicks dig the hair.
Okay, true. True.
Get a picture, come on.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I gotta come.
There's a killer on the loose! Run!
Watch out! He almost got us! PJ! PJ! Oh my God, look! Oh my God! The fisherman! PJ, watch out!
Where'd he go, Hafner? I don't know. He came up here.
Oh God, that was insane! I swear he almost killed me.
Sheriff Davis was on him.
No, he got away. Guys, behind you.
How was that? Dude, you were awesome, man. Awesome. Oh, this stuff is sticky.
I am having a heart attack.
You guys said to make it real, so
Yeah, you almost nailed us with that thing.
$39 on eBay.
Sure it was.
Get this, the ad said this is the real hook. Straight from the legend.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Damn it! Roger, give me the hook, man. Get undressed.
How was PJ's move?
It was awesome.
Oh God, it was sick. Everyone saw it.
So where is he?
Yeah. Where's PJ?
Who moved the mattresses? What the hell are they doing there?
Whoa, 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 hey, hey. Right there, please. Step back. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the NBO. Clear path, people. Take this ambulance.
Should have double-checked the mattresses, Roger.
Somebody moved him. Anyway, that was PJ's job.
Yeah, just pass the ball to him.
This was your idea!
What?
Hey! Guys, we have to go to the police.
And tell them what? That it was a big joke?
It was an accident.
Was it?
What if we don't do anything?
The man's a genius.
Okay, look, I want to go to college. Everybody here wants to get out of this hellhole, and you're gonna be the next American Idol.
Screw you.
Look, everyone at that carnival thinks that some psycho in a raincoat did it, right? Why should they think anything different?
We go to the police and what'll happen? PJ's dad will try to nail us. He never liked us to begin with, and in this small-ass town, innocent or guilty, we're dead.
So we tell him that we are not doing this.
Think about it, Zoe. Because we only get one chance at this.
Screw it, I'm in.
The guy came out of nowhere. We ran for our lives just like PJ and everybody else. Okay, but the only way we pull this off is if we stick together and we keep it a secret. It dies with us.
You really think it's that easy?
Amber, telling the truth isn't gonna bring PJ back.
Everyone saw him cut you.
Okay. The secret dies with us. Say it.
The secret dies with us.
Secret dies with us. Amber, say it.
The secret dies with us.
Burn it.
still in town.
Hey, Lance. Thanks.
Well, I figured you'd be long gone from this place by now.
Nope. One more boring summer at Broken Ridge, and then I'm free.
Ah, you're gonna kick ass out there. I know it.
Thanks.
And you'll probably sell a bunch of artsy photos of your hometown, get rich and famous, make us look like a bunch of hillbillies on the way up.
What about you? What have you been up to?
You know, working for the mountain resort. Grounds crew stuff. Keeps me outdoors, so I like it. Saved up for a new motorcycle. It's fast as hell. Yeah, I know it sounds boring to you.
What? No. You're doing your own thing.
There's... Kelly's got this new guy that she's after. Sorry.
He is so hot.
Hot like the guy from the bike shop hot?
You bragging on me?
It's hard to keep them straight, Cal.
Hey, who held your hand all year while Mr. Perfect Boyfriend was away at college?
Okay, well, don't worry. In a few weeks, I'll be back with Colby, and you can forget all about me and the hand-holding.
What do you mean?
Turn around.
Like seagulls are freaks. Most of them are declining now.
Colby?
Amber, hey. What's up? I was just gonna call you.
Hi. Could you excuse us? Thanks. What are you doing here?
The internship thing didn't work out.
What?
Yeah, don't even ask. I just figured I'd come home and work at the pool again.
And this is how I find out?
Hey, chill.
At a party in front of all of my friends like a total idiot?
You really want to do this now? It's your freshman year. Maybe you shouldn't be tied down.
And this all just occurred to you?
Oh, we both felt it. What happened last summer changed things.
Colby, moving to California was my idea.
Hey,
Hi.
you need a ride?
No, I'm fine. I got my truck.
Amber?
Hey. Deputy Hefner. You scared me.
You okay?
Yeah. Just girl stuff.
Look, we've known each other for years, right? So really, if you ever want to talk, get something off your mind, call me.
Mm-hmm.
Drive safe.
Thanks. see Colby and you can break up with me.
Minutes, guys.
All right, Zoe.
Hey, Zoe. Sorry. You look familiar. Do I know you?
Can you not do this now?
Okay, when? After I call you 10 more times and send you 20 more flyers?
Zoe, I'm sorry. I really am. I need your help. Zoe, I don't know what to do. Somebody sent me this.
Is that supposed to be funny?
Zoe, did you tell anyone?
Yeah, I wrote a song about it, but don't worry, the single's not out yet.
Okay, could you get serious for 1 minute?
I never said anything. What'd Colby think?
I haven't told him yet.
What's the matter, trouble in paradise?
Zoe, I'm not tough like you. Look, my parents are out of town. I can't go to Colby's. So could you just ask me to crash here for tonight?
Couch is over there, bathroom's in the back. He fixes ski lifts.
This is his summer job.
No wonder he hasn't called anybody.
Roger? This doesn't feel right. Maybe we should just meet him in town later.
Jesus, Amber, chill out.
Okay, let's go. I don't like this place. Come on. Jeez.
What is this, a reunion?
We need to talk. Roger, it's important. Would you shut that thing off? I got 50 of these last night. The number's totally blocked.
It's impossible. We got rid of everything.
Someone knows Roger.
Why? Which one of you opened your mouth?
We were gonna ask you the same thing.
You got the message, not me. What about Colby?
He's your buddy. He say anything to you?
Are you kidding? He hasn't talked to me once since he went to California. You gotta go to the cops.
We had our chance to tell the truth, Roger.
Somebody knows now. What if this guy goes first?
After we lied to everyone's faces, having the cops chasing a killer for a year that doesn't exist? Think about it.
I have thought about it.
My life's jacked anyway.
Let me talk to Colby first.
You keep your mouth shut for now.
Whatever.
No, Roger, I don't want any more surprises. Say it. We all keep our mouths shut.
We all keep our mouths shut.
What happened to us? I don't want it to be like this anymore.
So what are you gonna say next? That you miss me?
Well, you could send me one more of your flyers.
Yeah, right. Those cost me money. They're like $1 a flyer.
Really?
Yeah.
I owe you like $10.
Try 20.
Now that bass player of yours, he's pretty cute. Yeah, you two. I think you two would be pretty cute together. Yeah.
Good God. Sheriff Davis.
Sorry. I'm just making my rounds of the school. It's kind of strange without all the kids. Anyway, I saw your car. Thought I'd say hi. Haven't seen you girls in a while. Been thinking about you. Oh, the 4th. Coming up again.
It's gonna be tough this year.
It's gonna be tough every year. Well. Yeah, you take care, okay?
This is a joke, right? Amber's pissed you guys are just messing with me.
You think I care about your love life?
She's making this whole thing up. She's playing both of us.
Or maybe you're the one that's pissed. Got home late last night, did a little drunk text messaging to the ex.
You're crazy.
No one loves a good prank better than you, right?
Listen, I kept our promise. I shut my mouth and I put this shit behind me.
Well, someone's digging it back up for us.
What, because Amber got messages in the middle of the night and we didn't? Peter's death is a big deal for this town. I mean, say some freak did pop out of the woodwork, it doesn't mean he actually knows anything.
I know! That's what I told Amber.
So why are you coming down here busting my balls?
In case you and I are wrong.
I'm sorry, it's not my problem anymore.
I always knew you were a dick.
Yeah, girl. Think about training.
You okay, miss?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, I just had a problem with my bike.
Well, listen, it's about to storm, so you better get down the hill. Let me get you a lift.
Okay. That's the hook.
You say so.
What makes you think you're not next? He sent you a message to Colby.
Come on, Amber. You want us to believe you got attacked on a gondola 50 feet in the air?
Why am I even talking to you? So who do you think is doing this, Amber? Maybe somebody who was close to PJ is trying to punish us. Roger's right. We have to go to the cops now before they get the story from somebody else.
Roger won't even return our call. That's how much he gives a shit.
Roger's whacked.
How whacked?
So how was I? Accidents. If we don't do anything, college, everybody here has to have this help.
Had our chance a year ago.
Somebody knows now. It's different. This guy goes, it's your idea.
After we lied to everyone's faces.
Accidents. What did we do? It was an accident.
You guys are us.
See your resume. See your resume. See your resume. See your resume.
Hello. Who's here? Coat.
Oh my God.
There's blood here too.
He was living here.
Holy shit!
He killed himself. We found him here with this. He killed himself.
What are y'all doing here? Colin.
Yeah.
Take care of this. Make sure we contact the boy's family.
Take care.
So he can tell you about any of it. Fights in college, failing classes, leave of absence, antidepressants.
We didn't hear from him much this year.
Yeah, I guess you couldn't get over what happened last summer. If there's anything you guys want to add to your statements, anything you think I should know?
No.
Okay. We're done here.
Thanks, officer.
Mm-hmm. Call me. I know that you're alone for the weekend. And, I don't have to worry about you, do I?
No. I'm okay.
Don't worry, this is over. You can go home. I'll call you. If I have any more questions. Yeah. Rawlings.
Yeah.
Give that to the sheriff for me.
I can't believe Roger was behind this.
I can't believe you got the hook out of the lake.
This was not our fault. Someone else is dead now.
Yeah, and we're all safer for it.
How do you just move on?
Because it's over. For good.
So was it Roger?
Of course it was. He's crazy. He killed himself.
Did he? Because someone just did this.
Take it easy, Timber Boy.
Oh, man, you almost got yourself a free nose job there.
I just want to talk.
I don't know if you heard about last night, but...
Yeah. I heard. I'm sorry.
Well, tomorrow's July 4th. The year since PJ's death. Must have pushed Roger over the edge.
Yeah. I guess.
Well, we just wanted to stop by and see how you were doing.
What is this, some kind of group therapy session?
Yeah, it is. Here's a piece of advice. Nobody likes a troublemaker. That's funny coming from you.
Look, we were all PJ's friends. Lance, if there's something that you know that's bothering you, just tell us.
Okay. How about this? I never understood why you dated such an asshole.
Got your notes, jackass.
What are you talking about?
Colby, just stop it.
You think we're scared? Huh? You think we care?
You know what? You got a lot of nerve coming down here starting shit with me. You should worry a little less about me and a little more about my uncle.
Sheriff Davis? Why?
He came down here yesterday asking about some secret.
Lucky you got a chainsaw, douchebag.
All right, Colby. Do you honestly think the town sheriff is running around in a fisherman's outfit playing hide and creep with us?
The guy was special forces in the army. They live for this kind of shit. Besides, his own son died. Look, we have to do something. We have to tell him that we know he's onto us.
Colby, it's the sheriff. No, Lance, it's not like we can just walk up and accuse him.
So, Kent, we gotta figure out what's going on tomorrow because we're short a couple of guys. Everybody's calling in sick on us. So if you can get on.
You really want to sit back and see how this psycho plans to celebrate the anniversary of PJ's death? Look, I know what I'm doing. He's gonna have to trust me.
Yeah, I tried that before. Remember?
Hey, Zoe. Yeah, I'm almost done packing. I'll be there in like 30 minutes. Okay, bye.
Turns out we didn't get to finish our conversation today.
I'm sorry. Things have been crazy. We
Oh,
didn't
come
mean
on,
to bother.
Amber. This is part of your guys' game, isn't it? It's Colby's idea, right?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I know what you did last summer.
What?
PJ told me before it all went down. It's funny, I'd never even heard of this stupid fisherman until you guys thought that he
Lance,
should come visit.
It was an accident.
But you guys just couldn't get enough. A year later, and the pranks just keep on coming. You tell Colby that if he tries anything...
Lance, you're in trouble. We didn't do this. You have to believe me.
So who did?
I don't know.
Harry?
My uncle didn't do this.
Who invited him here anyway?
The guy who played arts and crafts on my bike.
So, Lance, who do you think it was?
I don't know. A lot of people got pissed off about last year.
Look, we have to go to Hafner. He's your buddy. He said he'd help us. He's the only one we can trust.
Okay. Let's just say that it's Davis. We rattled him, and he'll just tell everyone about last year.
We deny everything. We say the guy lost his mind. He lost his son. He's taking it out on us.
You're the one losing it, Colby.
Come on, Amber. We're the victims here. What's wrong with you?
Chill out, man. She's just trying to figure things out.
Yeah, what if we're wrong about the sheriff?
And we say we're sorry. We panicked. We got it wrong. Whatever. Point is, we got to tell Hafner so we can be protected. You know I'm right.
Hey. What's going on?
Hey, you said if we ever needed to talk.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on back. Just having a few friends over.
Oh, well, maybe this isn't such a good time after all.
That depends on what you want to talk about. It's about PJ, isn't it? The anniversary?
Hey, who wants another one?
Hey. Yeah. Uncle Paul.
What'd I miss?
What about your son?
We've, all been having some problems the last few days. It kind of stems back
Tomorrow's the 4th. And even though the carnival's canceled, that guy is still, you know, out there. What if he decides to go after someone else?
Everything we do just makes this worse and worse.
We gotta get out of here. Tomorrow.
What's that gonna do?
It's gonna take the big night away from this freak.
Hold on, I'm not going anywhere with him.
You better tell your boyfriend to chill out.
Okay, you two, stop it. We're sticking together and we're getting out of here. And by the way, he's not my boyfriend.
Wow. He's already got driver status, huh? Look what I got.
What are you doing with that?
I got it from Roger so we can get rid of it once and for all. Chuck it in a damn volcano.
Where's your stuff?
I don't know how to say this. I just found out there's gonna be some agents at the show tonight. They book clubs all over the state, maybe even LA. I'm sorry, I just can't miss out on this.
Zoe, we had a plan.
I am going to be on a stage in front of a crowd with security all around. What's safer than that?
Leaving town?
You guys go without me.
Okay, let's go.
No, guys. We gotta stick together here.
Fine. Then we're all going to the show. Look, you play your song. Then we get in the car and we'll head out of there.
Whatever. I'm not hanging around here all day. I'll meet you there. You buy me a ticket.
how we got the idea for that damn prank.
What is this?
So we put all this together. We thought it was a big hoax, but it turns out to be based on a real guy. On the 4th of July, this guy goes crazy and kills a bunch of kids in his little fishing town. Supposedly, it was some kind of revenge. And a year later, he goes after them again on some island in the Caribbean, and he dies there.
Starting his own legend.
Yeah. They were all stopped for a few days before July 4th.
Sounds familiar.
I finally graduate high school. My real life is supposed to be starting. And look at me. I'm worried that I'm even going to make it through the night.
I'll be here with you.
You always have been.
Oh, aren't you two cute?
Glad you could make it.
So he goes on soon.
Yeah, I can't frickin' wait.
You're drunk.
Oh, I'm self-medicated. You want some?
No, thank you.
Some anti-pains. Where's your uncle who's not trying to kill us?
Oh, he's working.
Okay, let's move it along.
Oh, that's still young, right?
Yeah, let's just go in.
Gonna have a hangover in the morning. Ain't gonna be to blame. Gonna have a hangover in the morning. I think I'm gonna drink. It's gonna be.
This sucks. Let me get another cocktail.
Colby. Colby, don't.
I'm back in a second.
It's gonna be one of those nights, yeah.
Showtime. Let's roll.
Okay, people, next up, let's get ready to rock and roll with Zoe and the Hawk.
Your uncle's right there.
Yeah, I found it, man. Thanks for the hookup, dude. All right, later. All right.
getting rocked up there.
That was incredible.
An agent from LA asked for my info.
That's awesome. I know. So, can we go now?
Would you chill? Nothing's gonna happen in the next 2 minutes.
Ready?
We gotta find a way out of here. Where the hell are we? Where's Zoe?
I don't know.
Where the hell is she? God. No, don't. We gotta get help. Come on.
Hafner, we got a problem. You copy?
Yeah, go ahead.
I got a dead girl in the back of the lodge. Call for backup.
Copy that.
Come out of there!
Uncle Paul, please. You don't understand.
Looks pretty clear.
He's trying to kill us.
Who's trying to kill you? Where is he?
Yo!
Colby, where are you?
I'm having some vodka. Feeling pretty good.
He's here.
Who's here?
The fisherman.
Sheriff Davis?
No, he's dead, and so is Zoe. He's after all of us. Get the hell out of the lodge.
That might be a problem.
Colby, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
Okay, don't move. We're coming.
that you've reached Colby. Leave a message. Look, the door.
Colby?
We gotta get out of here.
Oh, thank God. John, you have to help us.
Why are you covered in blood?
You don't understand. There's something you don't know. It's about what happened last year.
I know. I know what you did last summer. Roger told me last week. He was freaking out. He wanted to confess everything. I told him it was too late. He should just keep his mouth shut. I had no idea how far he'd take that.
You knew? And you kept it a secret?
I did it for you, Amber. But everything's different now, isn't it? I searched your car. I found a box with a hook.
No.
Now get in the truck!
No. Oh.
It's you!
Look, I don't know how this happened.
It's you!
All right, asshole. On the ground, hands on your head. Put your hands up or you're a dead man. Put them up!
Go! Stay down, asshole.
There's no way.
Go, go! Come on! Come on! Come on! Go! Go! We gotta go! Come on, come on! Come on! Where'd he go?
He's gone.
What was that black shit coming out of his arm?
I don't know. It's the guy from 10 years ago who killed all those kids.
Amber, that was not a guy.
It's a legend. It's become true.
I can't believe this.
PJ died. We kept it a secret, but we can hurt him. This hurt him.
Come on, we've got to turn ourselves
Think
in.
about it, Lance. No one is gonna believe us. I'm going after him.
Amber, wait. Come on.
Where are we going?
I know this one is open.
Hurry up! I think he's coming.
No! This way! Put the hook right there. Come over here. Almost there. Don't pull the pin until I tell you. Okay, you ready? Amber, we gotta keep going. We can't stay here. Come on, come on. Let's go.
secret dies with you.
You sure you can't ID this guy?
I couldn't really see his face. But he's not from around here. Just some crazy guy who wanted more of what he got last summer. He won't bother anybody again.
Yeah. It's over.
Hello?
Missed me yet?
Hey, where you at?
Nevada? Near the state line? I should be back in LA in 4 hours. You're finally gonna be off the long distance plan.
What was that?
I don't know. I think I just blew a tire.
Amber, you okay?
Yeah, it's a flat tire. I don't know what could have done that.
Somebody around there to help you out?
No, there's nobody out here.
You got a spare?
Lance, are you there? Lance, hello?